Hello friends, welcome to sidschemistry and welcome to the show Crack the 7, show number 12, and it's all about the classification of organic molecules. Organic molecules are widely distributed molecules in our system. Now they are categorized in two basic different categories. Number one is acyclic molecules and number two is cyclic molecules. Acyclic organic molecules are basically single state chain carbon molecules, and carbon is joined with carbon to form long chain compounds. These compounds may be alkenes, alkynes and alkanes. While we are talking about the cyclic molecules, they are basically divided in two categories. Number one is alicyclic molecule and number two is aromatic molecule. Alicyclic molecules are again divided in two categories, that is homocyclic molecules and heterocyclic molecules. Let's talk on first homocyclic molecules. Homocyclic organic molecules are the molecules which is made up of only carbon and they are forming a closed chain. Heterocyclic molecules are the molecules which is mostly made up of carbon chain, closed chain, but they contain other element apart from the carbon in the closed chain ring structure. Say for example pyridine. Pyridine is the molecule which is containing nitrogen in the ring system. Similarly, when we talk about the aromatic molecules, they are totally a different kind of category where single bond and double bond are alternatively present in the molecule, and basically it follows the rule we call Huckel's rule. And aromatic compounds are pleasant smelling compounds due to their pleasant aroma they contain. Aromatic organic molecules and aliphatic organic molecules, even alicyclic organic molecules, can be made in the laboratory. But nature provides us large quantity and large number of such kind of molecules. Today we will talk on classification of organic molecules. Let's enjoy the show. All the best. Crack the 7. Now presenting very first question of the show. Question 1, level 0, and the question is: open chain organic compounds are called as. Options are option A, cyclic compounds, option B, aromatic compounds, option C, aliphatic compounds, and option D, homocyclic compounds. Dear students, open chain organic compounds are called as aliphatic organic compounds, and when we are talking about the cyclic compounds, they are categorized in two types, alicyclic compounds and aromatic compounds. So the correct answer for this question is aliphatic compounds, and the correct answer is option C, aliphatic compounds. Now presenting second question of the show, question 2, level 0, and the question is: cyclobutane is the compound categorized in. Options are option A, monocyclic aromatic compound, option B, monocyclic homocyclic compound, option C, monocyclic heterocyclic compound, and option D, bicyclic compound. Dear students, first of all let me clear that cyclobutane is monocyclic compound. Only one cyclic ring is present in the cyclobutane. So we have to look into the option number A, B and C only. Now option A, B and C indicates that it may be aromatic, it may be homocyclic, it may be heterocyclic. Aromatic ring is not cyclobutane ring. Aromatic ring must follow Huckel's rule, and therefore cyclobutane is not following Huckel's rule, and therefore it is not aromatic compound. But when we look at the homocyclic and heterocyclic part, cyclobutane is homocyclic. What is homocyclic? Homocyclic molecule means the ring is made up of same kind of atom, and in cyclobutane the ring is made up of carbon only, and therefore the correct answer is monocyclic homocyclic. Option D is the correct answer. Now presenting third question of the show, question 3, level 1, and the question is: alicyclic compounds is one of the categories in the classification of organic compounds. The meaning of alicyclic compounds is. Options are option A, aromatic compounds, option B, aliphatic closed chain compounds, option C, aliphatic open chain compound, and option D, homocyclic compounds. Dear students, this is the question is all about the alicyclic compound definition. Now, cyclic compounds are divided in two categories. The one is alicyclic compound and the other is aromatic compounds. So, definitely aromatic category of the answers are not the correct answers. Now we have to look at the alicyclic compounds. What the compounds are called as alicyclic compounds. Alicyclic compounds are simple state chain compounds, may be made up of heteroatoms or may be made up of homoatoms. It means the atoms may be different, atoms may be same, but they are closed chain, and therefore we can say that the aliphatic closed chain is the correct category of the alicyclic compound. The correct answer for this question is aliphatic closed chain, that is the option B. Now presenting fourth question of the show. Question 4 level 1, and the question is the alternate single bond and double bond in open chain molecules and closed chain molecules made up of carbons are respectively called as. Options are option A acyclic and aromatic molecules, option B aromatic and acyclic molecules, option C aromatic and alicyclic molecules, and option D alicyclic and aromatic molecules. Dear students, here we are talking about single and double bond alternate characters. These characters, if they are present in single state chain, they are called as acyclic molecules, and if this character is present in closed chain, then they are called as aromatic molecules. So the correct answer for this question is acyclic molecules, that is the first category, and aromatic molecules, that is the second category. Correct answer for this question is option A, that is acyclic and aromatic molecules. Now presenting fifth question of the show, question 5 level 2, and the question is furane molecule is a molecule with a ring made up of carbon and oxygen atoms. Which category is most suitable for it? Options are option A homocyclic inorganic, option B homocyclic organic, option C heterocyclic inorganic, and option D heterocyclic organic. Dear students, when different atoms are present in a closed chain, the ring is called as heterocyclic ring, and when carbons are present in the heterocyclic ring, the ring is called as heterocyclic organic molecule. The correct answer for this question is option D, that is heterocyclic organic molecule. Now presenting sixth question of the show, question 6 level 2, and the question is the most informative classification of organic compounds which give information on properties of compounds is. Options are option A based on structure, option B based on functional group, option C based on uses, and option D both A and C. Dear friends, the best category which describes the physical properties is the functional group category, and therefore the correct answer for this question is classification based on functional group, that is option B is the correct answer. Now presenting seventh question of the show, question 7 level 3, and the question is benzene, cyclohexane, hexane are the organic molecules. Put them in correct sequence of their classification categories. Your options are option A aromatic, aliphatic, alicyclic, option B aliphatic, aromatic, alicyclic, option C aromatic, alicyclic, aliphatic, and option D alicyclic, aromatic, aliphatic. Dear students, benzene is aromatic compound which is a 6-member carbon ring and having alternate single and double bond. So benzene first we need to put in the aromatic category. Let's discuss about the cyclohexane. Cyclohexane is a 6-member cyclic ring, but it is not aromatic compound. So such kind of compound is called as alicyclic compounds. So second is alicyclic. And when we talk about hexane, it is a simple straight chain carbon having 6 carbons, and such kind of compounds are called as aliphatic molecules. So correct answer for this question is option C, that is aromatic, alicyclic and aliphatic. Dear students, now it's a turn to get your challenge, and your challenge of the show is pyridine, naphthalene and octane are the organic molecules. Put them in correct sequence of their classification categories. Options are option A, aromatic, aliphatic, alicyclic. Option B, heterocyclic, aromatic, alicyclic. Option C, aromatic, heterocyclic, aliphatic. And option D, heterocyclic, aromatic, aliphatic. You need to give answer of this question in the comment section of this video, and in the next show we will reveal the answer and will explain the categories of these compounds. So all the best and best luck. Now it's a turn to answer the question of the previous show, and the previous challenge was HPLC is one of the widely used chromatography techniques in the industries and research centers. What is the full form of HPLC? Options were option A, high performance liquid chromatography, option B, high pressure liquid chromatography, option C, high powered liquid chromatography, and option D, high degree percolation liquid chromatography. Dear students, the HPLC full form is option A, that is high performance liquid chromatography. Thank you. Hey friends, I hope you enjoy the questions and answers. Now it's a turn to get add to brain points. Today's add to brain points are basically 3. Number 1 is that you need to understand what is acyclic molecules. They are simple straight chain molecules. Number 2, that you need to understand alicyclic molecules and the detailed category of the molecules. And number 3, that is very important for your studies, that is aromatic molecules. This kind of aromatic molecules are also a part of daily life in the form of medicines. So dear friends, understand these 3 categories of the classification and you can achieve good score in your competitive examination. Thank you for joining. Thank you for watching the show. Thank you.